Welcome back, beautiful people. It's a joy to have you here on my channel with our incredible community. I made that in less than 2 minutes. Watch this quick tutorial and follow each step to the end. Step 1. We will need a great sounding AI voiceover, so we go to 11labs.io. Everything in this tutorial will be for free, so we'll choose the free plan. Visit the online platform and choose the speech synthesis option. Pick a voice that you like, paste your script, and click Generate. You have credits for each free trial account. When you're satisfied with the result, download the MP3 file. Step 2. Create the video with an avatar. We'll go to d-id.com, log in with your Google account, and choose the free trial. Create a video and choose a preset avatar or upload your own photo. On the right, you can use the voiceover generation tool or upload your own recorded script. In this case, we'll upload our script from 11 Labs because we prefer the flow of their voiceovers. Once you have the picture and script uploaded, click Generate Video, and that's it. You now have a video
Welcome
ready
back,
to share.
beautiful people. It's a joy to have you here on my channel with our incredible community.
In the next video, I'll show you how to create an AI voice based on your own voice. Thanks for watching. Please, subscribe to my channel. You will not miss any new updates.